let's get into soap number 7 of our collection, Saturn. I wanted something just like Saturn's colors to be a little bright but subtle at the same time, so I went with Ginger Peach from Candle Science. For our colors for Saturn, we're going to go with a yellow and sparkly gold mixture in one half, and then a straight orange Oxide from TKBtrading on the other. For our swirl, we'll use our trusty old in the pot swirl to get our nice swirl throughout our whole column. 24 hours after we get to our column, we'll make sure that we unmold it and get it into our charcoal space base, ready to go. after our second 24-hour wait time, let's unmold and cut into our nice ginger peach, orange golden yellow, swirled Saturn. If you want to see more soap making with different techniques, different colors, different scents, and different designs, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you liked what you saw in this video, make sure to hit the like button and stay tuned.